Hello, my friends from YouTube. Today we have this beautiful system that I don't know nothing about it. I'm making this teardown in the hope that someone is interested, especially to see what is inside, but also if somebody has some information about this system, what does, what doesn't, how you connect it, how you use it, documentation maybe, software, and so on. Uh, from what I can tell, this system, as I will show you in just a moment, as you can see here, you have 5 ins for LMBs. Okay, so you can connect 5 antenna dishes, 5 LMBs, and you take the signal out from here. I think, it's just my guessing, that this system is made to uh, connect more LMBs, to connect to more satellites, and to have in maybe a hotel or a community center or an apartment block or something like that, to have a video signal, video and audio. The system has also these connections here for baseband, audio channel, and audio out. This is for fine tuning. I will show you in just a moment. I already take it apart to be more quickly and open it, because I kind of struggle first time to find a way to take this board out. Yeah. Just for safety I put this. So I have to put a hand inside, lift it a little bit, push it that direction, hop, and that's it. Here we have a connector for the fan. We just take it apart. And this is the main board. As you can see, there are not so many things here, but first we have a splitter, okay, from these 5 stages, 5 LMBs connected, 5 outs to this splitter. The interesting part of this splitter is that, okay, you have 10 dB, 10 dB, 10 dB, 10 dB, 10 dB is a 6-way splitter, and one in for the signal, but it used for taking the signal out here with 3 A's alpha. Here we have a final stage amplifier. You can see here it's a 12 volt. We have here a small 7812 stabilization circuit. So we have a ref radio frequency part for amplifying the signal, and this is the exit. Okay, it's not for in, so it's for out. So even the red pointer, if you can see here, shows in, but it used to take the signal out. Anyway, what else we have here? So we have a version 1.3 of the software, another one, 7812P plus. Okay, here we have the serial connector, power plug fuse. Here we have some 4 pieces of Charlie Delta 4511 Bravo Charlie November. And here we have Mike 74 Hotel Charlie India 38 Bravo India. And in the back, where is the serial port, we have 1 Lima Mike 358 Delta. Here we have Tango India or 1 3238. Actually, it's November Echo 555. Sorry. We have another Lima Mike 358 Delta, and here we have 4 Charlie 02 Alpha 1. We have the 5 stages here, and as a circuit we have 14066 Bravo. Here we have 358, sorry, and November Echo 56 Alpha, no, 564 Delta, and we have 5 stages, and 5 stages here with some diodes, how do you call it in English, a small potentiometer. Okay, so that's it. Here we have a 4-digit screen, and that's it. On this we have Sierra X-Ray Tango 2002 Alpha 403068. They are not the same. And here we have Sierra Mike 31104050134. So yeah, please, if you have any documentation information, just tell me what this is. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe share this video. Thank you very much, and happy tinkering!